Okay everybody, so I've turned a 2D piece of cardboard with a print on it into a 3D piece of plastic with texture on it. This is a fairly simple process, although it did take quite a lot of number crunching for my computer. So it took all day, even though I didn't actually do too much work myself. But the computer was kept busy all day with number crunching, using the Attract tool in Meshmixer on a part that I designed in Fusion 360. Here it is in Cura, all sliced up and good to go. And here it is in Fusion 360 before I put the texture on it. If you want to know more about what I did in Meshmixer, get in touch with me. Maybe check out my YouTube channel, etc. Link in my Instagram bio. I didn't show this actual video on my YouTube, so sucked in. But there is lots of other good videos, and I will be making a tutorial on how to do this. So go on and subscribe, and you'll catch the live stream where I show how it's done.